Hello and welcome to realityfuturestrading.com. In today's video, I am going to be crying and whining about bad internet. I've been sitting here most of the morning here in the Denver metro area. It's a little cold here, and I have cable for high-speed internet. And all morning long, I have been listening to the words connection lost for my NinjaTrader. Now, is it my NinjaTrader? No, it is not. It is actually the cable high-speed internet. Lately, we've had a few problems with it here in the area, and just wanted to do a quick blog post and a quick video on how important it is to have reliable internet. Now, as a backup, I do have DSL, so I was able to work today, but it was just recently that I was able to connect, and I am not losing connection. For whatever reason it is, here in my area, when it's getting colder, the internet is, well, it's a little sporadic. Very important to have good internet. The other thing that I want to talk about in this video is that the internet that you currently have, most people are focusing on download speeds and upload speeds. And in my opinion, that is not necessarily the most important factor that you should consider regarding the choice that you're going to have in what internet service provider you're going to use. So what I've done here is I've come up here and I've brought up a free site. It's called speedtest.net. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this test. You can do it where it'll test a local server, which in my case, I'm up here in the Denver area. It's probably going to hit the closest server that it can, which is somewhere down here south of me in the Colorado Springs area. Now, one of the things you can do, and what I like to do, is this. I like to back the little map down, and then I like to come up here to the Great Lakes area. And let's see if we can find Chicago. Okay, there it is right there. Chicago, Illinois. I'm going to select Chicago because this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to establish the speed. How fast does the signal get from me here in the Denver area up to Chicago? And granted, I've got a great upload and download speed, but the real thing you want to focus on is the ping speed. And what the ping tells you is it takes 32 milliseconds for the signal to travel from where you're at to Chicago, which is where the CME is, and then back again. That is the primary speed that I am focusing on. My DSL is not bad. However, when I do the speed test for that, generally I'm looking at about 68 milliseconds. And I don't know if it's necessarily the DSL that causes it, the service itself, but rather it might be the router that the company provided me with. Now, I don't have higher end DSL because I only use it for a backup in case my cable internet should fail. So I don't want to do a biased test, if you will. But as you can see here, I've got a pretty good ping speed getting from the Denver metro area up to Chicago. Now, upload and download speeds, those are great. That's great when it comes to downloading video and things like that. However, the main thing, in my opinion, that you really need to focus on is the ping speed. So I've put the link in the blog. Go ahead and click on it. See how fast your PC is getting from one place to another, and then go ahead and make your decision from there. Well, I hope you found this video to be informative. And if you have any questions regarding any of the day trading tools that I offer, or just trading questions in general, please feel free to email me at ray@realityfuturestrading.com. Thanks and have a great day.